Hello, welcome back to Desters HomeLiving. If you're new here, you're welcome, and please consider subscribing. Also, a big thanks to all my fans and subscribers for the love and support that you're showing me. So today I have a recipe. It's a bajia recipe. They're very delicious and easy to make. So as always, I have with me all the ingredients prepared. These are 2 cups of ground flour. You'll get this in a supermarket shelf. You also need a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, a small bunch of coriander, 2 medium-sized onions, 1-inch grated ginger, and 6 cloves of grated garlic. Here we'll have, for the spices, we have 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. We also need water. This was about 500 ml of water, but I ended up using only half of it. So into the ground flour, I'm going to add a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, all the spices together with the salt. Mix that well. So next I'm going to add my water. It is at room temperature. It was about 500 ml, but I ended up using about 250 ml. So we need our mixture not too thick, yeah, not too runny, so that we'll be able to keep that to scoop a bit and put in the oil. So finally I'm adding in my vegetables. So I've added the onions, the garlic and ginger, and the dhania or coriander. It's easier to mix them in a paste than in the flour. So I'm gonna mix this a bit, and when it's well mixed like this is the consistency that we need. So meanwhile my oil is already hot, and I'm going to use a spoon to scoop and drop them in the oil. So see how I do it. So the oil needs to be medium hot. It shouldn't be too hot, otherwise the bajias won't get well done in the center, in the middle. So I'm scooping a bit, and be careful as you drop them that you don't get burnt. They will come out with some parts that are protruding, but don't worry, that's how they are, that's their nature. It's because they're in a they're in a drip form. So keep turning them in the oil. Adjust the heat that it is not too hot, and after they get a good golden brown color, then know that they are ready. And again, another sign that they're ready is they float on the oil. Yeah, so keep frying them. So my bajias are ready, and I'm placing them on a bowl, in a bowl lined with paper towel, so that they drain the excess oil. So I did the same to all the remaining batter, and until I finished the batter. So here they are. Best enjoyed when they're still hot. You may take them along with a sauce or a chutney. Yeah, and that's it for today. So if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. I'll be more than glad to answer. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much as always for clicking onto my video and watching my content. See you in my next video. Bye.